So we're down here at Marina Del Rey, right next to Tony P's, and I'm just going to check out the boats for a few minutes. It's a quiet day. Yesterday it was a very hot day in LA. Now it's supposed to be a windy day. It's supposed to be about 20-mile-an-hour winds, and I would say maybe the winds here are maybe 2 miles an hour. It's pretty mild out here, very quiet. So I had to come down here to pick somebody up, and brought the camera with me. Shooting lots of video lately. My 4K camera arrives tomorrow. Just bought a 4K GoPro, and I'm messing with that. And then I've got a 4K action camera that somebody wants to send me to do a review of. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Not much going on here. Really quiet day. Really quiet. It's beautiful out here. This is the life. Living on the water. Nice and quiet, unless it's not quiet, unless it's rainy and noisy. You got to have a lot of money to be able to live this lifestyle. These boats are not cheap. Docking them here is extremely expensive. I think we have the LA County Fire Department over there. I thought it used to be the Sheriff's Department. I thought it was a Sheriff's Department boat. But we're going to go over to the LA County Fire boat, which is right next to... Well, like I said, I thought they had the Sheriff's boat over here too. But I only see a fire boat, and this is right next to the Marina Del Rey fire station over here. I don't know what the county fire station number is. So, I've shot video before. If you like this type of video, go check my channel. I've got some video being on a couple boats out here, cruising around the water. During the holidays, they offer a ride around the marina for a couple bucks. So there's the county fire boat over there. A couple firemen in there. Oh, did you say fireman and not fire person? That's what I said, fireman. That is how it is. Alright, look at this. Is this incredible? Look at the peaceful water out here. Okay, so I've been shooting for about 3 minutes. Like I said, I want to go for 10. So 53, 43, 53. So we'll shoot for a while. Let's go head on over to the boat. And then I'll go pick that person up and get on out of here. So we have a 110 and a 310 boat. I don't know, I'm guessing the 10 is the station. Maybe there'd be a 110, a 210, and a 310. In fact, that's the area code of Los Angeles West area is 310. So, yeah, very quiet out here. So that's a fireboat. That's what it looks like. They got a big fire nozzle up at the front, and they've got a water nozzle at the back, that little red thing. Let's look at that. Let's zoom on in for you fireboat people. Pretty cool. This boat has seen some... it's been around a while. Kind of got a little bit of wear on it. It's got a lot of wear on it. But it does what it needs to do. So that's the LA County Fire area over there. And okay, for this one we've got to well, let's go look over here. Okay, so we've got a couple of hose connections on there that are painted red. Got one on the other side that I'll get to in a minute. Marina Del Rey. Got one over there. Got the American flag that is not really flying around right now. And some antennas on the top, and looks like maybe three 3 power lamps on there. Let's go see what's going on at the front. I can't really get over there, but and then we've got the other fireboat that I was showing you. It's got a surf rescue thing on the side. Looks like a paddleboard, big paddleboard, huge paddleboard. And then we've got the water hose connection on the back. Not really much to see. You got the antennas up at the top. Communication antennas. So if you like my videos, do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. If you want to keep me going, if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. It's a review channel, so if there's something you want reviewed, let me know. If I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. And if there's a location in LA you want me to go out to and record, maybe I will, maybe I won't. Okay, so we're looking way, 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 way down. Let's see, what would that be? Is that, I think that over there is the northern end of Playa del Rey. I could be wrong, but I think that's Playa del Rey up there. Dockweiler Beach is way back there. The jungle's way down there. Now, I might be wrong, but I think that is what it is. It is what it is. So, you get the palm trees way, way, way down there. I don't know if you can see them. That's got to be a good mile and 2 air miles away, a mile away. Not a bad camera. Pretty good zoom. And this is the bottom part of the zooming. So, let's see, what are we at? 3 more minutes of recording and we'll shut this down. I want to get the other side of this boat, because I think it looks awesome. Looks like the one on the right over here is a newer boat. The floor section, whatever you call that, is painted and it's much nicer. It's got a nicer coating. The one over here looks like that was not painted on. That looks like it was stuck on with some type of adhesive. So, sorry about looking at this bad sign over here. Now we're going to the left side of the boat. And yeah, it looks cool. Alright, they're checking out the microphone over there. Just heard them on the PA. LA County Fire. I don't know what those stickers are on the side. It was one a fire and one a county. I think one's fire and one's county. I could be wrong. So, alright. I think that's it. Oh boy. Looks like we have a group of people here from a lunch party and they're taking photos. A group photo. Yeah, lots of excitement down here. Congratulations, whatever that is. Okay. Cleaning the boat? Somebody has to clean these boats. I'll bet they're not making a lot of money. These people are very rich, and I'll bet they don't pay a lot of money to have their boats maintained, which is unfortunate that they don't want to spread the wealth. All right, we got a nice dress over there. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And somebody wearing a white outfit. Are they famous? I don't know. All right, so we're down at 10 minutes, people. I want to get 1 more minute of video so I know that we're over the 10-minute mark. I like to do 10-minute videos. And, oh boy, I'm looking at the name on a boat over there. Used to be the name of my ex-girlfriend. Yeah. Funny how, with time, we don't have those same feelings for people. Alright. This group is blocking my path. So, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.